A very good morning, students. On this turn of your online English class, I just like to take the topic article from your grammar portion because, as you know, and everyone, most of the students, they have problem using articles. They don't know where to use articles. Okay, so articles basically are three types: a, an, and the. Okay, these are three articles. They come before nouns, and we know that articles always come before nouns. Okay, so there are two types of articles we know: definite articles and indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an, which we use with singular nouns. If any noun, if any name begins with vowel sound or vowel, we use an if it is in singular form. But at the same time, if it is in plural form, we need not to use any of the articles. Okay, so now we come back to the topic again: indefinite article. So indefinite articles, why they are called indefinite articles? Because they do not tell clear position of the noun. Okay, whether they are in singular position, they are singular noun or plural noun, because it usually leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of as. Okay, so here we see a doctor, that is. Okay, so a doctor means any doctor. A teacher, any teacher. Many teachers are there. There are not only three or four teacher or one teacher, there are many teachers. So when we say I want to meet a teacher, so that means any teacher. I want to go to I want to join a school. Suppose I want to join a coaching, I want to join a class. So that means any class, any school, any. Okay, anything like. Okay, so this is indefinite article. Indefinite article we use only with consonants and consonant sounds also. Even though if any word begin with vowel, okay, but it doesn't sound vowels, then we do not use an. Okay, then we do not use an with that. Like when we write Europe, so Europe begin with e, but since e is silent and we pronunciate, it sounds u, yeah, yeah sound, so we do not use a and with Europe. We use a European, we do not use an European. Okay, so these some of the exception in English grammar where time to time you will be seeing, you will notice. Okay, the same time, if any word begins with consonant but it sounds vowel, then we have to use an before it, like MLA. Okay, when we write MLA, so here we will write an MLA. Okay, why do we write an MLA? Because when we speak am, so it sounds a, MLA. Okay, so A is already vowel, L even when we write LLB, so there he is an LLB. Okay, he is an LLB. So like this, there are many words which begin with consonant but they sound vowel. So with such words we use article an, indefinite article an. Okay, and there are some words which begin with vowel. Okay, a, e, I, o, u, but they do not sound vowels. Okay, they sound consonant, so we do not use an with them. We use like a European, not an European. Then the next is the is called the definite article. So this is the on this turn only I'll introduce the articles. I know very well that this is a very important topic and this is not new topic for you. Okay, all of you have been taught this topic many times, even in your previous class and in your early classes also. Okay, when you will be in third, fourth, then vowels begin from first standard or second standard. So then you have been practicing them, but then also sometimes all of a sudden we face lots of problem using articles. That's why I've decided to teach you articles so that in future while constructing any sentence you will not face any such problem. Okay, so now comes the is called the definite article. This the is definite article which we use with something which is specific or we have already knowledge about it. Okay, so as you see, because it normally points out some particular person or thing, as he saw the doctor. He saw the doctor. The doctor means someone particular, means a particular doctor. Like when we say, uh, I'm going to the hospital. So when I tell someone that I'm going to the hospital, that means till that time or at that time, I know that which hospital I'm going. I'm going Gangacharan Hospital, I'm going Siddhivinayak Hospital, I'm going Max Hospital, wherever I'm going, I know very well. That's why we saw that I'm going to the hospital. I'm going to take treatment from the doctor whom I know very well. Okay, so in such conditions we use article the. The indefinite article is used before singular countable nouns. Countable nouns, countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, like like one, two, three, four, like this. Okay. So here a book we can count an orange or a girl. So this indefinite article, as you see that book sounds consonant. Okay, b. So a book. The same way O. Orange begins with vowel O and it sounds also vowel O. Orange. O. Okay, so an orange. Then girl again a consonant sound. So the definite article is used before singular countable nouns. Okay, the article is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. For example, the book, the books, and the milk. So here the book is what? I want to read the book. The book is which is with you. Suppose a book which is in your hand. I saw the book and I said, I want to read the book. The same book which you are having. The books, I have read all the books. So all those books which already I know about. And the milk. So the milk is here uncountable noun. But then also we are using here the milk. So which milk? Cow milk, goat milk, buffalo milk. Okay, which milk that we are talking about here? And the books means I know about the books. So this is countable and plural noun. This is uncountable, this is plural countable, and this is singular countable. So here we stop this. Okay, on next turn we'll start a and an, that how do we make use of a and an. Okay, then I'll make you write the uses of some definite articles, that how do we use, okay, definite articles in sentence, that also we'll discuss. So this week we are going to discuss articles, and how to make the use of the how to make use of these articles, that also we'll learn. Okay, so on next turn I just want you that till next turn you should write the introduction of the article in your classwork copy. Okay, till then, goodbye, have a nice day.